The Chaos of English Pronunciation by Jean Nostrinete. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse, sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I will keep you zoozy, busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye your dress will tear, so shall I or hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the latter how it's written. Now I surely not plague you with such word as plague and ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, home and toe. Hear me say devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and revile. Scholar, vicar, and cigar. Solar, mica, war, and far. One anemone, Bob Moral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, wind, and mine. Scene, melpomene, mankind. Belay does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, shallot, blood, and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Vicious, viscount, load, and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve, and sieve. Friend and fine, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous. Clamor and enamor rhyme with hammer. Rival, rival, tomb, and bomb. Comb, dull, and roll, and psalm, and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does not devour with clangor. Souls but foul, haunt but aunt. Font, front, wont, want. Grand and grant. Shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger, and then singer. Ginger, linger. Real, zeal, mauve, gauze, gouge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sounds like bury. Does, loss, pose, and doth. Cloth, loth, job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the difference seems little, we say actual but victual. Rougher does not rhyme with defer. Forever, does, and zephyr. Heifer, mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George ate late. Cynic, Arabic, Pacific, science, and conscience. Scientific, liberty, library, heave, and heaven. Racial, ache, mustache, 11. We say hallowed but aloud. People, leopard, toad, but vowed. Mark the difference, moreover, between mover, cover, clover, leeches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police and lies. Camel, constable, unsable, principal, disciple, lapel, paddle, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, ball, worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor. Tour, but R, and succor. For, gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Saw, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion. Sally with alley, yeah, ye, I, way, and key. Say a verb, but ever, fever. Neither leisure, kind, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary. Crevice and device and eerie. Face, but preface, but not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic, ass, glass, base. Large, but target, gene, give, virgin. Off, out, joust, and succor. Scourging, ear, but earn, and wear, and tear. Do not rhyme with here, but eerie. 7 is right, but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen, monkey, donkey, Turk, and jerk. Ask, grasp, wasp, and cork, and work. Pronunciation, think of psyche, is a pale stout and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits? Writing roads and saying grits, it's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stone, Stowe, Solas, Gonwell, Islington, and Isle of Wight, Housewife, Vertic, and Indic. Finally, which rhymes with enough, though, through, blow, or though, or cough, hiccough, has the sound of cup. My advice is to give it up.